Today we're going to do a market recap for the week. I hope everybody had a good week. We're going to talk about the following companies. Ticker symbols are LMFA, COHN, UONE, and NVAX. But before we do that, let's take a look at the entire market, the market as a whole. So you have the Dow Jones, you have the NASDAQ, you have the S&P 500, and then you have the NBI, which is the Biotechnology Index. All had a great week. They started off on Monday and ended the week much higher today on Friday. In particular, the Biotech Index is breaking out. It hit all-time highs today. All right, so the market looks good. I think next week is going to be a pretty big week for the biotech sector. So the biotech index should go higher next week, which means everything under its umbrella, a bunch of the biotech companies, individual companies, will do very well. Let's go back to the symbols that I mentioned. So LMFA, COHN, and UONE opened up today, and this morning they were up a lot. As I always say, on Fridays you want to book your profits for the week and go to the weekend holding cash. If you had sold those stocks in the morning, by the close they were down. So that was the right thing to do today. All right. Companies like UONE that I've been tweeting about all week. That company hit $54.16 today, this morning. Like I said, I've been tweeting about it. Some people got in around $8, $9, $18 a share. And this morning, although it was up big yesterday, this morning it went up again, and it got as high as $54 a share. So big profits there. And then it closed today at 36 and change. 56 in the morning, 36 and change. If you get in over the last few days, you would have made a lot of money. But this is a perfect example of why you should book your profits for the week and go into cash for the weekend. All right. The other stocks also performed very well. But what I wanted to mention was that NVAX, which is a biotech, hit all-time highs today, and I think next week is also going to have a good week. Now I know NVAX for many years when the stock was trading at $2, $4, $6. This is back in 2002, 2003. Very simply put, the reason why it hit an all-time high today is, and it's been going higher and higher for the last 4 months, is because they're working on a vaccine for COVID-19. Makes sense, right? So, like I always say, there's always opportunities in the market. Whether the market is trading up, down, or sideways, you have companies like NVAX that can make you a lot of money. So, feel free to subscribe to my channel where I talk about these companies, and I can help you and give you advice from what I've learned over the years on how to buy stocks and make money. All right, so everybody have a good weekend, and we'll talk next week.